Okay, so today I have here the JBL Live 650 Bluetooth noise cancellation headphones, and I want to show you here how to connect these headphones to your smartphone. In this case I have here my iPhone, but it pretty much works the same way for an Android as well. So you go here to your settings menu, to Bluetooth, and there you enable Bluetooth. And then you already see here one item in the list, and here on the bottom, on the very bottom, that's where we're going to look for the headphones here in a second. So now the first thing we have to do is turn the headphones on here. I just slide this switch here up and then the headphones will turn on. And now, since this is the first time these headphones have been turned on, they immediately go here into the Bluetooth pairing mode. You see this with the blinking LED, the blue blinking. If this doesn't happen to you, so if you don't see the blue blinking LED there, then you can push here on this Bluetooth button here, and at that point it will definitely go into this Bluetooth pairing mode where you see the blue blinking LED. And then here on the phone, also here on the bottom, we see here now the JBL Live 650. So I'm going to select this and immediately the headphones will pair. So you see this when the LED is now constantly blue. Okay, so and now we just go here to our music app and we can immediately start playing some music. Yeah, and now you're probably wondering, do I have to do this process every time I want to use these headphones? Because this is quite a few steps that you have to go through, and the answer to that question is no. So the next time you turn on these headphones and your Bluetooth settings in your smartphone is still enabled, the connection will be automatic. So right now you see the headphones are off, they're not connected. I turn them back on here, and now immediately when the headphones start up, they will connect to the smartphone and I can immediately use them without having to do anything. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.